Diversity in your leadership is absolutely critical, and at Barwon Water our board is 50-50, our senior leadership team is 50-50, and we've really seen, as we've gone through our journey of achieving 50-50 in our leadership teams, the performance of our business has improved significantly. So over our 7-year journey, we've transitioned from middle of the pack in terms of customer performance perceptions in the state to consistently number one.
So I see that there's two main challenges for attracting women into sort of the more traditionally male-dominated roles. One is that they don't know what the role entails. So if you haven't grown up and you don't understand what a civil operator does, you can't imagine yourself in that scenario. So you don't know what the role is to start with. And the second one is if you don't see anyone else doing that role. If you've only ever seen men, working in these roles, then you can't imagine yourself in that role.
There's a new challenge every day and it's a lot of problem solving. It's very interesting and pretty satisfying to be able to take apart a pump or a valve and put it back together and have it work, which is something I never thought I'd be able to do.
It really is that leadership commitment, that demonstrated leadership commitment, that is the number one foundation, and behaviours that you demonstrate as a leader daily are what really creates the inclusive environment and therefore leads to diversity and inclusion.
One of the factors that we've found works really well for us here at Barwon Asset Solutions is rewriting the job ad around those critical things that the women find they really enjoy in the role. And we found that just helps shift their mindset in terms of, this is what the role entails. For our last recruitment campaign for civil operators, with these small changes that we put in place, we had 20 women apply for the role, and as a result of that, I think we recruited 3 or 4 women into the roles. So it was highly successful for us.
It is a continuous journey of learning, improvement and refinement. So inclusion means different things to each and every one of us, and your job as a leader is to understand that, engage that and learn from that. The benefits are amazing in terms of the performance of your business, the growth of the people in your business, and your personal growth and learning as well.
Barwon Water and Barwon Asset Solutions provide a lot of support for being a woman in the workplace, especially because I work in a team where I am the only woman. The skills I've gained through my work so far have set me up for a lot of good opportunities. I've gained skills I never thought I'd be able to do, like operating machinery and physical work. So definitely been a really good experience for me and set me up for the future.